Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by deciding a clear scope and time frame for the history file. Choose start and end dates and define what counts as historical records. Create a concise naming convention using dates like 2025-11-22 and short tags. Choose file types you will store such as PDF, DocX, JPG, and CSV. Estimate storage needs using values like 50 MB per year for documents and images. Decide how many backup copies to keep, typically 3 copies across different media. Write a short policy document that summarizes these decisions for future reference. Gather primary and secondary sources methodically and verify each item's authenticity. Contact owners and request permission when required before copying or digitizing records. Scan paper records at 300 dpi and save as PDF or high-quality JPG for images. Photograph 3-dimensional objects with consistent lighting and a scale reference. Record metadata for every item including date, author, source, and a 1-sentence summary. Log provenance and any restrictions on use in the same record entry. Store originals in acid-free folders if retention of paper is necessary. Organize files into folders by year, topic, and document type with consistent tags. Adopt a folder depth no deeper than 3 levels for quick navigation. Use standard file names like 2025-11-22 meeting minutes. PDF to ensure predictability and sorting. Create metadata CSVs or use a lightweight database to index each file and enable searching. Use checksums such as SHA 256 and run integrity checks at least monthly to detect corruption. Keep 3 backups across different media such as cloud, external SSD, and an offsite drive. Define access roles and permissions before sharing files with other collaborators.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.